news headlines. Plastic pollution a grave concern. Syllabus on waste management needed from primary level, stresses Minister Syam Kumar. PP Kaitek Lakpam shows only white collar jobs do not make financial independence. Manipur CM Biren distributes irrigation pump sets to farmers to cope with dry spell. Miscreant sets shops on fire at Sadhuchiru waterfall, Limerang. And Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presents Union Budget 2019-20. Defence budget for Northeast increased by 25%. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. It's me, HARIPRIYA presenting today's news, and now let's have the news in details. Manipur Mahut Minister Syam Kumar today stressed on the importance of introducing a subject on waste management in school curriculum. He was participating in a two-day capacity building program on 6 Waste Management Rules 2016, which began at the City Convention Centre, Palace Compound, Imphal East. The program is organized by National Productivity Council (NPC) in collaboration with the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change (MOEFCC) and Manipur Urban Development Agency (MUDA) and hosted by Directorate of Mahut. During the 2 days program, resource persons will discuss on the 6 waste management rules notified by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, namely Solid Waste Management Rules 2016, E-Waste Management Rules 2016, Plastic Waste Management Rules 2016, Biomedical Waste Management Rules 2016, Construction and Demolition Rules 2016, and Hazardous and Other Waste Movement and Transboundary Movement Rules 2016. Speaking during the inaugural function, Mahut Minister Thaunawsam Syam Kumar observed that there is a need to introduce syllabus on waste management from the primary level, stating that the early introduction to the topic will help in spreading awareness and also help in environmental conservation. The minister also urged all the stakeholders to jointly work for the successful implementation of the 6 management rules in the state.
We started all, not only this at our forest department, one department, the other department in the any festival function, they started to distribute instead of bouquet and the flowers to some something. She can give you a second. When I was being a see, President Tani was born in Tani, which will give me a little Tani was Salakan. Environment sector was it wasn't going to be a person, it is big. We all need to involve, we need to all involve to save the environment. Segment Hamibda Sagis 6 rules that we government. Could it Kai Naki Karato, Mayam is very many put that Tongadisi, building a man to Gadicans, building them to Akanda, Fuai Posi, and Krakan Dungue. Sina rules the Yolomani, Sing for the poor Namsna. She are you poor Namsna, Kai look at the way I gave to give the give one so
Commissioner of Mahut M. Joy Singh said that for the successful implementation of the waste management rules, a collective effort is needed from all the stakeholders, including the citizens of the state. Around 300 participants took part in the program. Various stalls displaying products made from recycled plastic, tires and other materials enthralled the crowd at the City Convention Centre. Director of Mahut Harikumar Singh, Assistant Director of Mahut Subyendu Sivaka, National Productivity Council Swati Singh Sambyal, Program Head Center for Science and Environment, CSC, Dinesh R. Bandela, along with officials of various state departments and various stakeholders, including NGOs and self-help groups, attended the function.
Stakeholder and NGO and the citizen collective effort waste management one of the time for the Marandi, Stagi, Tuan, Santibalina, Kadaba, and Amor Pazi, waste in a well, when one talk on another Pandana, I will lose in a implement of the government and Silings in Bilbo, Kudimona. Resource persons in a heavy my arms in a implement of the Tuan, Mopons in the Mayam Purama. Encourage the support Bibidaga, Hariba 6 Waste Management Rule 2016 as an implement of one of the states.
White-collar jobs are not the only options for leading a fine life. There are also other jobs one can pursue which can make financial independence. Tom TV presents you an exclusive report on this.
Pipi Kaithelakpam, daughter of Buddha Kaithelakpam and Gita Kaithelakpam of Bijoy Govinda Laikai, Sagolban, Imphal West, got BA Economics Honours from Thambalmari College. In order to make herself an economically independent person, she started her own Kaithelakpam integrated piggery farm in 2016 after graduation. Being a young girl, she had to face so many challenges and hardships in running her pig farm at the initial stage, but through her strong determination, she overcame the obstacles, is now able to rear over 70 pigs in her farm. People from both the hills and valley now come to her farm to purchase pigs.
I like them hek lurak pakanda I should go mama tauge habagi wakan sa ingon fauzer akone aduga I nasum I business chingsi I kram na ingon sana gani na traga akogi Manipur so kitang tang po sa iso ay yengi haitare adugum basi yeng kanda okse kitang loiba wat na brain ay wakanda dumai na khanba aduna okse puthok po wat panina ay gi plan di matcha puthok kanda mayam da su loi khatlan bagi pandam adumai na tawraga semilon ama semna baina hona jabani.
In order to ensure more productivity and a long-term business that could benefit both the state government and her, PP drew the attention of the government and related department for extending any kind of possible assistance to her for promoting her business.
Aina kaya thoi hena kaina tawdre sarkar gi side gi di adugo hoi aina tawninge pose ngasi hayeng heta tawraga loisan bagi wanate matam saangna tawning po ni aduna aingonda lam darka oi adagi makon phajana saba machinja ki darka oi masi sinje mengkhatda ba hona bada sarkar dagi khidang ni mateng pame.
At her farm, she also rears ducks, grows maize and different types of vegetables, which have the potential to provide job opportunities to many in future. She conveyed a message to the youth of the state that they should come forward rather than wasting their precious time.
She started with the M rather than waiting for the government job or the white-collar job provided by the state or the center. She started with the M to provide sufficient economy to the people in the state and to her family herself. She drew the attention of the authorities concerned to provide any sort of technical or any kind of training or assistance that could be helpful in her business to run the integrated piggery farm. With video journalist Mungyamba Chinglei, Blessing Gangmai for Tom TV News, Awang Kunau.
Chief Minister of Manipur Ain Biren distributed irrigation pump sets to the farmers during a program held at Manipur Minorities Others Backward Classes Economic Development Society (MOBETS) today. On the occasion, CM Biren said the measures is taken up to combat the drought-like situation in the state and ease the woes of the farmers. CM Biren further said minor irrigation department is working hard to provide irrigation facilities in various parts of the state. The irrigation pump sets were distributed under the Economic Development Program (EDP) scheme of the Manipur Minorities Other Backward Classes Economic Development Society (MOBETS). The Agriculture Department and the Marbets would be providing around 126 irrigation pump sets to the needy farmers. Another 100 pump sets would be procured in next 4 to 5 days to deal the situation, the Chief Minister added. He urged the elected representatives to approach the Agriculture Minister and other concerned ministers for agriculture-related support, including water pump sets. During the function, around 40 irrigation pump sets were distributed to the farmers. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian, Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Samkumar, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, MLAs and officials of Marbets Department were present during the function.
Khara loina mayam piu na taret piu tara piu manga piu na torokuda dong asi ekoi adu dinga si si ekoi sumaina mayam mamanga koi sumbama government gi si hana pamlei haibedu ana gum khara nadi udam na leitabra leibra chinda pangang bro potra na haibedu modo ko practically ekoi tausi haidana ekoi mayam ahan bagi sidi honorable MLA ki jaga sinda 4 to 5 engine mari natraga manga adu gi sang da pi se na agriculture minister ga su khana ra na tawgodar ba pun mag sigi distribution ke tawa supervision si agriculture department na geng kani circle gi library ba leaders sing elected members sing adu ga tai social leaders sing gi kuthang da agriculture minister da approach to biraga tangai fada bu sing adu pam Ladiba, Ekogi, Masingzi Manunda Haidar. The Carla would do the Lowina by the Mana after the
Several shops located near the famous picnic spot, Sadhuchiru Waterfall at Laimaram of Bishnupur district were burned down early this morning by unidentified miscreant. As per report, properties worth around ₹6 lakh were destroyed in the blast. In this regard, Village Secretary Asing Chiru told media person that most of the shops belong to financially backward individuals. He termed the incident as unfortunate and said that a proper dialogue could have avoided the act of arson. Condemning the incident, Asing Chiru urged all concerned to not repeat such crimes in the area in future. He also urged upon the state government to extend support to helpless shop owners.
Kanamada Koina Mangi Pochasing, Aduga Karikari Sing, Koina Chorap Korpada, Lak Mari Mangang Muki Sang, the Pochasing Mangi, Aduna Sumo City, Amuhana Tuktan of Suikoina Appeal Toning, Aduga Sumana Mang Liverpool Maxisu, Yarakedi, said the Marie Nava Circle, Tourist the Kangde, Aduga, Ekoi Government the Kangde, Karamating Pang Nava, Su Esimasu Appeal Toning, Aduga Suma Toto Sisu Kona, is a Tori missing the soup. As a Keroli Kaina Kangde, Kanakana Kangde, Muhana Tuktan of Su. Ecoina Simasu appeal Tony, Sekanatana, Ecoina, a top of home sing the soup, Sumase, Muhana Toktanaba, Ena Sigi appeal.
Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented Union Budget 2019-2020 this morning, announcing a slew of measures in her maiden towards 15 minutes budget speech. Sitharaman said the government will launch an interoperable ATM like One Nation, One Card for Pan-India travel, new rental laws for affordable housing, interest subvention scheme for Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises, MSME and Women. Sitharaman said it was the right time to consider increasing minimum public shareholding from 25% to 35%. It is a citizen-friendly, development-friendly budget, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said while hailing the budget. Finance Minister Sitharaman lowered the fiscal deficit target to 3.3% for the current fiscal from the earlier estimate of 3.4% of the GDP. The Finance Minister budget speech said that economy will grow to become a $3 trillion economy in the current year itself. Bharatmala 2.0 to focus on states to build their road networks. Focus on village, poor and farmers are at the center of all these government programs. Government to invite suggestion for further opening up of FDI in aviation sector, media, animation, AV, GC and insurance sectors in the consultation with all stakeholders. 100% FDI will be permitted for insurance intermediaries. Railway infra would need an investment of 50 trillion between 2018 and 2030. Sitharaman said the government will bring in a new national education policy to transform India's higher education system to one of the best in the world. She announced rupees 62,659.12 crore outlay for the health sector in the 2019-2020 fiscal, the highest in the last 2 financial years. She said that the finance budget for the Northeast has increased by 25% from more central higher and technical education institutes to better connectivity from job reservations in central PSUs to increasing tax on cigarette, berries and smokeless tobacco. The Northeast has a big wish list for the Union Budget 2019. Let's take a quick break. Do stay tuned to Times of Manipur for more updates.
Nationwide #1 oirakliba UNI Consultancy Private Limited na lowest package ta security amadi local guarantor piduna India ge khanaba state singda NRI quota da MBBS tamnaba amadi foreign countries singda MBBS tamnaba gi pandam da SBI gi on campus educational loan da natna lupa lakh amaga listing nimpu scholarship su second semester dagi semester khuding maki phanghangani free year tickets na traga lupa listing nimpu banga gi relaxation gi damak ngasimag youth library club uripok polem laikai gi mayok nabada laiba corporate office ta lak piduna ngasimag contact tobiu hena kupamarol gidama contact tobiru 7005092567 amasung 9007778647 akhoi gi website www.247ununi.com.
Amber Cine Production and BK Events and Entertainment presents the 4th season of Iwa India 2019. Mrs. Mr. and Miss Iwa India is back in Manipur. Auditions on 6th July and 7th July at Hotel Imphal by The Classic at 10 a.m.
Welcome back. BJP Khurai Mandal today stacked a sit-in protest near Khurai Lamlong traffic point, condemning the blast incident at the residence of local MLA L. Susindro, who is also the chairman of LDA MSPDCL yesterday. Placards light, we strongly condemned the bomb blast, clarified the bomb attack were held by the demonstrators. Denouncing the incident, President of Khurai Mahila Mandal Thongbam Chawba Devi questioned the motive behind the attack. She described the bomb attack as an act of cowardice and demanded clarification from all those people who were responsible for the incident. Meanwhile, the Mera Paibi Mothers Association Khurai and Paragon Club Come Information Center Khurai also jointly organized a sit-in protest against the blast incident, the residence of MLA L. Susindro. MLA Susindro had a narrow escape in the powerful bomb blast that occurred inside his Khurai Sajorlekai residence. Executive member of Mera Paibi Mother Association Ngangom Ongbi Premabati strongly condemned the blast incident. She further demanded clarification on the attack from the involved individuals. She appealed to the responsible persons not to repeat such act of attack in densely populated area.
No municipal manung stage da kuina magi maran karino kari tawbagino karamba sangstan dagino si haibaje athoba madam da no municipal sengtok piro natraga di khoi khurai pesa gi pendaba nungai tabase sigi se ko handaba taraga di akuina makhan makha khoi gi jene strike torpa yai ban torok pai na yai natraga na thohaling da thongdok mayam ma khoi tholok loi hainingai leite
tawge haibagi mata gumna nang hauroi dabagi mata gumna ngarang ase khoi gi maitai gi di kang numit oibani isa ichu mayam chu thongal asidaida thokpa khotpa madu da so hogdabagi phabani laibak phabadagi karigumba somba taragadi aikhoi kari oigani ngasi aduna hairiba jaga sidaida masumaina tattana tawgadauba lairagadi organization khudingmaksu masigi gumba thohningdaba thawdo ase matungda mohana tawhanbiganu aduna aikhoi chingam lekai amadi sajo lekai ani gi aduga aikhoi gi Paragon Club sigi aikhoi punna ngasi asi yaningdaba phongthok jaba oina dharna si phamjabani.
Southeast Asia Cultural Organization SICO today informed that 18 office bearers of SICO Thanga unit have been elected. A release said the office bearer took oath at the Thanga residence of Oinam Maipak on June 29 last. Inspire Award Mission Minds Augmenting National Aspiration and Knowledge, MANAC, has organized an awareness program for teachers and JEO staffs with the objective to draw more students. The program was held at the Service Siksha Abhiyan Conference Hall, Babupara, Imphal. MANAC Nodal Officer R.K. Tanidi said that they are working towards overlaying ideas of students from class 6 to 10 to enable them to perform at global level.
Participate low to the Kari Tauraga, Mugi, Angang Sings participate on Bayaka, Hena, Tirapada, Nahan Moy, district level officers in a Pondo Bada. Was asking the Kauraga, awareness of peace habit, Nasiquena, Belly district, Ladiba, Belly district, Loinamaki, School Karane, district representative, along with NIFK Magi State Coordinator, Yauraga, was Amayam the Quenamaji, Angang Sings. So it didn't participate Tonanaba. Masina, Hay Angang Sings. Hojiki liba trains the habatare kanagum angang masaki person laizaba magi immediate environment karamba innovative idea putoga scientific application taurakanda kari apaba koi putopo yabage madu putokanda ma the only just masi tawmatam the only idea to katang angang na concept to idea to generate ogodabani maduda teachers na parents na guidance to be once makoi gi idea se identify to giba tarabodi National Innovation Foundation na through IIT na tragana NIT ki through the model to sabda kari mateng to abage they will be surely helped by them.
A 3-day district-level DM Social and Emergency Volunteers training program organized by Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal East District Branch and NSS Unit, Modern College concluded at the Modern College Multipurpose Hall today. As part of the program, a mock drill was conducted by volunteers of Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal East District. Deputy Commissioner of Imphal East, Dr. Rangitabali Waikum, Principal of Modern College, Dr. K. Biren Singh, Superintendent of Police, Imphal East, Yogesandra Haubizam, Chairman of Indian Red Cross Society, Manipur State Branch, Dr. R.K. Nimai Singh, and Secretary of Indian Red Cross Society, Manipur State Branch, Professor Y. Mohan Singh, attended the function as guests, President and guests of honor respectively.
Preventive measures volunteers volunteers should not be focused to the students, to the NSS, NCC, it should trickle down to the grassroots. The housewives all kind of community players, stakeholders, we need to spread out our wings there. Because NSS or specific target population, we need to do this kind of trainings at a wider, at a larger scale.
Let's take another short break, but do stay tuned for more updates on other side of the break.
Saraswati Coaching Institute, Chingmairong, Khongnang Karak, Imphal. Admission open. Class 11 Science Foundation Course 2019. Starting of class 15 July. Medical Regular Course for NEET UG 2020. Starting of class 15 July. NEET UG Successful Candidates for 2019. Sanalu Gangmei, Wardo Dilbung Lamkang, Muhammad Nashiruddin Sa, El Yohenba, Nima Naurem, Kate Stela Devi, Narosa Chabungbam, Chandan Larin Lakpam, Supriya RK, O Philly.
Welcome back. More than 100 loaded dumpers coming from Bhutan have been stopped by West Garo Hill Police of Meghalaya at Paikan Krishnai area along Assam-Meghalaya border on the way to Bangladesh. It is not clear why the dumpers from Bhutan, one of India's favorite neighboring nations, have been targeted by Meghalaya police despite having necessary documents for transporting goods. Congress Treasurer Ahmad Patel has once again emerged a key leader who is reaching out to senior leaders, including Chief Minister of Congress Rule, set to arrive at the consensus candidate. Party insiders said Light Gandhi, his mother and Congress Parliamentary Party CPP chairperson Sonia Gandhi to turn down suggestion from her party colleagues that she should involve herself in the selection of the next party chief. A strong 6.4 magnitude quake shook a large swath of Southern California and parts of Nevada yesterday, causing injuries and damage in a town near the epicenter, followed by a swarm on ongoing aftershocks. As per report, yesterday tremor has been recorded as the strongest earthquake in 20 years that California had witnessed. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Blast near MLA's residence draws Chief Minister ire. Top 10 takeaways from the Eco Survey 2019. Congress looks beyond Rahul Gandhi. Interim party shift likely next week. The People's Chronicle. Blast rocks MLA's house. Chief Minister suspects Napsa link. Lok Sabha passes Aadhaar bill. 11 kg methamphetamine worth rupees 8 crore seized. Center okays 3 cluster projects in state. President rule only option if RIF and BJP affects monsoon session. Questions will be raised on politics for power or public welfare. Imphal Free Press. Farmers reeling under severe scarcity of water. Deprived of livelihood means desperate Ramri villagers stamp fed for the second time. Drugs worth around 8 crore rupees seized. The Morning Bell. Biometric device to be used to prevent embezzlement of rice. Awareness events against disadvantages in schools continue all over state. Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Ministry approves project worth rupees 1,423.95 lakhs for state. All Arunachal Pradesh Students Union demands NIA prof into NPP MLA killing.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Plastic pollution, a grave concern. Syllabus on waste management needed from primary level, stresses Minister Syam Kumar. PP Kaithet Lakpam shows only white-collar jobs do not make financial independence. Manipur CM Biren distributes irrigation pump sets to farmers to cope with dry spell. Miscreant sets shops on fire at Sadhu Chiru Waterfall, Laimarang. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presents Union Budget 2019-2020. Defense budget for Northeast increased by 20%. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.